Mary.
No! I love God. I go your way no more. I love God. I bless God. Abby, I won't hurt you no more.
What are you? You are combined with Antichrist, are you not? I have seen your power, mister. You will not deny it.
This is not witchcraft. These girls are frauds. You condemn it on us.
I will have nothing from you, Mr. Hale. Will you confess yourself befouled with hell, or do you keep this black allegiance yet? What say you?
I say, God is dead! Hear it! Hear it! I say, a fire is burning. I hear the boot of Lucifer. I see his filthy face, and it is my face and yours, Danforth. But then the quail are being men out of ignorance, and I am quail, and you quail now bring out all your black hearts. And let this be for our damn God damns all our kind especially, and we will burn. We